We are at one of our favorite antique malls down the street, and we're trying to find just the perfect cabinet to go on top of our bathroom vanity so that we can complete the look with a tower cabinet between it. Let's believe that we will find it here today. I just found it. How perfect is this? Our vanity has shutters on the doors, and here we have this cute tower cabinet with shutters on the sides. Can't wait to get this home and finish it so that it will match more closely to what our cabinets look like. So I got it home, and Chris took one look at it and said, this cabinet's not square, and gave it a little push, and it wobbled everywhere. So he said, well, I guess the shutters are still good. And he ended up dismantling the entire cabinet. I paid $45 for it, thought it was amazing and was going to work perfect. But one look from the craftsman, and come to find out it was just only usable for taking those shutters and remaking something with it. So, of course, true to Chris's abilities, he is making this cabinet something of a work of art. For the finishing touches, we put 2 coats of Rust-Oleum cream colored spray paint on this tower, and then topped it off with a Minwax gray wash wood stain so that it looked more antique and matched more closely to the vanity. Chris even went a step further, and he put a nice little secret compartment at the very top of this tower that only we know about. Well, I guess you know about it now too, but it's still pretty cool. And of course, here is our finished product, ready to be installed in our master bathroom. Pretty good match. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe, hit that bell, and join us for the next video for this bathroom remodel.